Welcome to Guarda Wallet versus Jaxx Liberty. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are available in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Guarda Wallet and Jaxx Liberty, focusing on their features, target audiences, and key differences to help you decide which one suits your needs better. Guarda Wallet is a non-custodial, multi-platform wallet designed for users managing diverse crypto portfolios. It supports over 50 blockchains and thousands of cryptocurrencies, making it highly versatile. Available as a mobile app, desktop client, web wallet, and browser extension, it offers flexibility for accessing your funds. Guarda includes features like a built-in exchange, staking options for multiple assets, and integration with hardware wallets for enhanced security. Users retain full control of their private keys, ensuring top-notch security and independence. Its clean interface appeals to beginners, while its advanced functionalities, such as token creation and deep asset management, make it suitable for seasoned crypto enthusiasts. Jaxx Liberty, on the other hand, is a user-friendly wallet aimed at simplifying crypto management for beginners and casual users. It supports over 80 cryptocurrencies and provides an intuitive interface with cross-platform compatibility, including mobile, desktop, and browser extensions. Jaxx Liberty features an integrated exchange powered by Shapeshift, enabling easy swaps between assets. It also offers a portfolio tracking tool and newsfeed within the app, which is great for keeping users informed. However, Jaxx is a hot wallet and lacks hardware wallet integration, which may concern users looking for added layers of security. While Jaxx is secure and includes standard backup options, it does not give users direct control over private keys, which is a limitation for those prioritizing decentralization. In summary, Guarda Wallet is best for users seeking comprehensive features like staking, hardware wallet integration, and multi-platform access. It's ideal for serious investors managing a variety of assets. Jaxx Liberty, with its streamlined interface and built-in tools, is tailored to beginners and casual users who value simplicity and convenience. If robust functionality and security are your priorities, Guarda Wallet is the better choice. For a straightforward experience with portfolio tracking, Jaxx Liberty stands out. Check the links in the description to explore these wallets further.